Hello, I am Hannah West, a senior in public health here at UMass Lowell, and this is my Living Wall project. A major problem at UMass Lowell is the need for more green space on campus. With Lowell's population on the rise, as well as UMass Lowell's student enrollment, this has increased traffic and congestion tremendously. Locations such as University Crossing and Wilder Street are especially affected by the pollution problem because their locations are adjacent to bus stops. These bus stops combined have over 240 visits daily just from the University Transportation Services buses alone, and each stop can last for up to 5 minutes according to state law. In Lowell, according to Plume Labs, the air is moderately polluted. The particulate matter is greater than the maximum limit established for 1 year by the World Health Organization, and a long-term exposure constitutes a health risk. The idling buses combined with normal Lowell commuters has caused the air pollution to reach a dangerous level, and something needs to be done to protect the health of its residents. With UMass Lowell's growing and dense population, this campus offers an opportunity to greatly impact the health and well-being of over 20,000 students, faculty, and staff for many years to come. Due to the campus's city spatial constraints, there is a limited ability to implement forests and gardens horizontally, but we are offered an opportunity to build vertically. When overcoming environmental issues, there comes an opportunity for educating students that share an interest for the environment and engage them in the research and implementation process. The students and staff are in need of a green haven they can de-stress, be productive, and breathe clean air. Living walls are a vertical greening typology, where a vertical built structure is intentionally covered by vegetation. The general structure of a living wall is shown in the image at the top of the slide. So as you can see, it starts with a waterproof layer, and this is to protect any current infrastructure it may be built on, such as the wall behind it. Then there is a steel structure to hold the wall together, followed by an integrated irrigation system that is self-contained, and then there is the growing planter, which is often in a shelf formation, and then the plants themselves. Building living walls at prime locations such as University Crossing and McGovern Student Center would help to optimize its benefits. This would be the first living wall installation on UMass Lowell campus, but has been seen effective at many other locations in Massachusetts, including Kronos Incorporated here in Lowell. Living walls maximize space and allow for the greatest benefits indoors. Studies have shown they are especially beneficial in a work environment because of their abilities to improve productivity and creativity, reduce ambient noise, increase the feeling of well-being and overall health, as well as purifying the air. The Living Wall project has been supported by the Office of Sustainability on campus, and they've agreed to help manage the maintenance and growth of the living walls over time along with the students. For maintaining living walls, most models are self-watered systems with integrated irrigation. If any watering, trimming, or replacing of plants on these walls are needed, this can be done in accordance with student clubs and organizations such as Society of Environmental Science Students, Sustainability Club, and Climate Change Coalition. As for the growth and expansion of building more living walls across campus, this initial construction can act as demo learning experience for environmental engineering students at UMass Lowell and can be replicated in the future using student grants and club fundraising. There are many resources needed to get the Living Wall project off the ground running. For the cost, it varies greatly based on companies, types of plants, and size, and typically it will cost between $3,000 and $7,000 per wall. There are additionally many key players needed for this project to be a success. I have contacted students on campus that have already shown interest in being involved. University grounds and operations have given the project their full support, along with the Office of Sustainability. Thank you for your time and consideration for the Living Wall project.